everyone, c'est Ritchama again qui tourne avec une autre vidéo pour nous. So aujourd'hui, je vais porter une autre vidéo pour nous qui regarder me. So, je vais porter une autre vidéo pour nous. So, vidéo ça me porter c'est une vidéo qui est là par question ou bien action. So, en anglais, on dit truth or dare. So, je marque pour nous question ou bien action. So, aujourd'hui, je vais tourner avec une vidéo avec Abigail encore dans la vidéo qui nous va faire une question ou bien action. So, moi souhaite ou enjoy la vidéo ça, sur mes vidéos ça va pour balayer un like et partager avec les amis guys. Et nous continuer sur vidéo avant de continuer abonner sur la chaîne là Konya. Abonnez sur la chaîne là so guys, nous commencer. So guys, nous commencer. Il va poser une question avant.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
What do you hate and why?
I hate. Like what? Like who?
Like what do you hate?
Oh.
Like, it doesn't matter what. Who or whatever.
I hate. I think I hate like. Let me see. I don't know like. Let me see. I like everything. Mwen tout bagay. So, some ka di mwen even food.
Yeah. It could be food, someone, a thing, anything.
Oh my goodness. I hate like to read.
To read?
I put like Lee, environment Lee, guys. Like my environment Lee. Yeah, I hate to read. Like I don't like read. So guys, now let's go for more. So, truth or
Dare.
So, this is action. So, action mo pa parler là. So, I dare you to what? What's so funny? Okay, I dare you to eat like 2 spoons of ketchup.
Okay.
Moi bali action pour lui manger 2 cuillères ketchup, like sauce tomate. You get the ketchup and a spoon to show them, period. Okay, 2 cuillères ketchup. 2 cuillères ketchup pour lui boire tous les 2 cuillères ketchup, you guys. There. So now Tony. So my ketchup là, show them the ketchup. Okay, sauce tomate and the spoon.
Yeah, we show the spoon.
Alright.
It's a really big spoon.
Alright.
Okay. Like a whole spoon of it?
Yes. 2? Let me do it for you real quick. Let me do it for you. So guys, before, get ready for this. Do it faster. No, you better show the camera. Show the camera. Okay. Okay. So the second one. Wait. For the second one.
Okay.
No, it's not like you have to get some more. Oh, my shoes. Okay. So I'm gonna start with my favorite shoes. Show them. You guys gonna wear. Okay. So fini, guys. You put this back. Okay.
Disgusting.
So now it's your turn.
Okay. Truth or dare?
There.
Dare. I dare you to get 3 spoons
What?
of hot sauce.
Guys, this girl crazy. Leave food, guys. Leave ban mwen aksyon like pou m'boire 3 cuillères Tabasco. Yeah.
That
remets piment, mon pareil piment. Ow! But it's too much. So I thought, you better shake the hot sauce first. Be careful. Show them the hot sauce.
This one is, it says very hot on it.
Ça a vraiment piqué, guys. Il est bon piment.
Okay.
No, like, really? No, I can't drink that.
It's a dare. Show them.
No, I can't drink that. Cause my eyes. J'aime que t'as fait de l'eau.
You always fixing skill set. Gee.
No, I can't drink that. No, I'm gonna taste it.
Y'all, she always makes excuses.
Mm-mm.
Do it. You said you like
Ooh.
hot sauce.
No, I like I said what? Not that one. This one is too
Then
much.
you have to do another dare. You have to do a different dare.
No, only one.
Find one. Do all of it.
No! It's gonna make my heart burn. Guys, too hot. So, okay. Non, j'allais te montrer, non, non. Pas montrer. So, guys, non, j'allais. So, okay. Guys, finally, no, look. That's my two. So, finally, this is one farm. So, truth or dare?
Dare.
Okay, guys, leave Kesyon Aksyon. So, wait, guys. So, I dare you to get a cup of ice and put some water on it. Go to the tub and put it on your feet. And I'm gonna put it on your feet. So, go get the cup first. So, guys, yon go de ki gen glace pour li pran et puis wait. Yeah, this is the cup. So put some water. Then let's go to the back. Et puis là, il m'a vidé les sous-pieds. So that's how hard it is. So guys, on va mettre la caméra à camper. Non, ah ouais. Non, ah ouais. Ça c'est de l'eau avec glace là. On va vider.
Oh God. Don't put it on my shorts. Shoot. Oh shoot. Oh,
Okay.
shoot.
Let's go. We done with this. We're good. Let's see the feet. Je vais finir avec des langues qu'on y a assez de parler pour lui poser moi l'autre question. Now, it's your turn. Go ahead.
Truth or dare?
Truth. Oh, what's it there?
Do you currently have a crush on anyone? Do you have a crush on anyone?
No.
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 That's a lie. Anyways.
That's not a lie. Oh! No, that's a lie. That's a truth. I don't have a crush on anyone.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay, guys. I don't. So, guys. I'm going to finir avec what la sonne. It's my turn. So, truth or dare?
Truth.
Okay. Is it? I gotta look up for a question, mommy. Because I don't know what kind of question to ask. Ooh, ooh. Is it true if you have 151 years old?
No, I am not 101 years old. I am
Okay,
not.
it's not true. So,
I'm
okay.
actually 12.
It's her. So, guys, say turn really, eh? So, you don't need the phone?
No.
You
Truth
better
or dare?
ask. True. No, there.
There.
Aksyon, guys.
I dare you to go outside and say, yo, and say outside, subscribe to Abigail.
Period. Subscribe to who? Abigail first?
Yeah.
Recording me.
Yeah.
So,
Ooh, it's dark.
recording?
Goddamn dark.
You stop recording? Hello, everyone. Subscribe to Abigail Florent. Ça c'est so nous avons fini avec Dara. Oh my baby. Okay, so guys, it's my turn to ask you the truth or dare.
There.
Okay. I dare her. Let me see. I dare her to. Let me see. I gotta get the right thing. Wait, guys. I dare you to drink a bottle of water in 35 seconds. If you don't, you're gonna drink a second one. Like if you drink it,
I'm ready to do hot sauce today.
go get the bottle water. So guys, my dearly puli boy, un petit galon de l'eau. Non, 50 secondes. Non, 35 secondes. So si li pa boy li nan 50 secondes, la boy yon lot.
No.
So guys, mwen van mette $50 ma moutre nou. So stay brushed. Rete brushed. Guys, vin ale sou time clock. Okay, like 35 seconds. If you don't,
40.
No, 35 seconds.
40.
I want to tell you.
Okay, wait, don't start it yet. Because
I know.
I'm not laughing.
Tell me when it start. When to start.
1, 2, 3, go.
Four, 6, 7. Woo! 25 seconds. It's already 12. 25 seconds. 25, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27. Oh, that's a good one. Like we finish avec 31 seconds. So that's a great one. That's the good one.
True.
Okay.
I don't
Okay, let's finish. So guys, now it's your turn, girl.
Okay, truth or dare?
Okay, there.
Okay, I dare you to go outside again and drink a tiny cup of milk, and you only have 10 seconds.
Tiny cup. Like, can you go show them?
Okay.
So guys, I don't know. Auntie, yo ti go de let pou mwen soti de avon bo ti goje let epi map gen 6 seconds pou mwen boye. Epi mwen pa reme let apil, guys. Mwen pa reme let apil. I got boo. Guys, that mwen fe no milk la. Oh, that's
Tiny.
what? Show them, let me show them. That's the milk, guys. Okay. Ça c'est lettre là. Okay. The minute. The second.
I know. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mwen te fini avec there. Li te di pou mwen te ale. Like, I think I already see so. It's my turn, so 2 for there.
Okay.
Whew.
I know I've been picking there, but I'm gonna pick there.
There.
Cause like the dare is not like that hard when you do it.
Yeah, that's the great one.
So you have to do like a hard one, like hot sauce. I don't know.
Okay. Guys, give me 1 second. But moi, 2 secondes. 2 secondes moi besoin nan men non pour m'aller derrière là. Pour m'aller action ma batte. So guys, moi gonna join there là. So I dare you to drink a little cup of water salty.
Salty water, my
Yeah.
throat is gonna be no. I haven't been doing.
So moi there, moi bali en action. Go get the salt with the water. So moi bali en action. Puli. Puli boy an ti go de l'eau like go de monta plus là, ti go de comme ça. Yeah. Yeah. So Puli vide de l'eau. Puli vide de l'eau dans cup so like pour faire les salé pour les boy. Yeah. So I don't know. Some people say when I'm talking they don't understand what I say. So on peut me dire me parler ou pas comprendre ça moi dit. I don't like you. Period. So no pan montrer no guys. Let me mid-low, ah. Celle-là. Show them the salt. Salt. With this, celle-là. You need a spoon. No, more. More.
No.
Really salty.
I'm not drinking.
Oh hell no. No, that's never happened. So okay. So come with the spoon. Come on. Yes, give me a spoon. Girl, don't be tired. Don't be lazy. Don't be too lazy. Don't be too lazy. You too much lazy for me. Let me do it for you real quick.
I'm not drinking the whole thing. I'm gonna make my stomach hurt.
So you're gonna drink like
A tiny bit, yeah?
you play with your life. So
5
Okay, now.
spoonfuls. 5
There's no talk.
spoonfuls.
the water is really good. So sit down.
Nasty.
I want to show them. Really great, guys. So stop playing with me.
No!
You have to do it, little girl. What? Try to get it done fast. You don't drink them anymore, so.
I'm not doing it. You don't know how that tastes like.
Really salty.
Yeah!
I know, little girl.
Disgusting. Done.
Guys, nou fini avèk video a we done. So guys, sou te enjoy ti video, sa ba bliye pou bali yon like. And abone sa channel la pou please. E pi komante, kite yon komante. E pi guys, sou bese pou nou fè an part 2 nan video a. Pa bliye pou bay video sa. Nou jis bezwen 15 like pou video a. Na fè an part 2. 15 like, right?
15 likes.
Yeah. Pou nou fè an part 2 na video a. So guys, bye, enjoy. You wanna say something?
My channel name will be in the description
Yeah, go subscribe to
down
her.
below.
I don't gotta put it on.
So you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below.
You
And-
tired.
Not really. And
What
press
the-
that notification button so you guys will be notified every time Ritchama gang
Post. Upload.
upload. So you guys will be notified every time Ritchama gang upload.
Bye guys. Enjoy. Put the camera.